This Postalytics quick hit video will show you how to set up a Postalytics trigger drip campaign in Zapier. The first step involves choosing the triggering app and the event that will kick off the trigger drip campaign. For this purpose, I'm going to use a tool called Boynet. You can use any of thousands of different CRM and marketing automation tools, workflow tools, things as simple as Google Sheets. In this case, we're going to choose Boynet because we've got an account set up and it's easy to do. So first I'm going to choose Boynet, and I'm going to then say, all right, within Boynet, when a new contact is added to a list, we're going to trigger a postcard or letter to go out from Postalytics. So there, I'm going to choose my Boynet account. I'm going to choose my list. And now Zapier is pulling in some test data to make sure that the list has appropriate data to bring into Postalytics to send a piece of mail out. And here's some test data. All right. So now we've got our triggering mechanism set up within Zapier. Now we need to set up Postalytics to receive the data and send out the piece of mail. So I'm going to type in Postalytics here. And here I can only choose send and track a postcard or letter. Next, I'm going to choose a Postalytics account. You can have one Zapier account working with multiple Postalytics accounts. And then I'm going to choose a trigger drip campaign. So I've already set up a trigger drip campaign in Postalytics. It's sitting in test mode, which means it's ready to receive data, but not actually print and mail. I'm going to choose the Zapier trigger drip test. And then we need to map the data that will be coming in from, in this case, Boynet, or wherever your originating app is, and map that into the corresponding Postalytics fields so that the address information, name information, any other personalization variables that you've set up are able to be properly filled. Postal or zip code. And then I had a couple of personalization fields set up in my creative. I'm going to make sure that I map those fields in. Variable field 1 and variable field 2. There. Now I can continue. And we can test and make sure that the data gets sent over to Postalytics successfully. As you can see, it did. I can now turn on the Zap and initiate a full round-trip test from my originating triggered app, in this case Boynet. I can just simply add a new contact into the list, watch it go all the way through Zapier, into Postalytics test mode, pull up the creative and make sure that it rendered properly, and then we're good to go.